Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing our previous chapter, Energy from Chemicals. So previously we studied about a simple cell. Today we'll be studying about hydrogen fuel cell. Okay, there is the word fuel in it because it is used as a fuel, and fuel is basically something which we use to get lots of energy. Okay, so hydrogen is basically used to produce lots of energy. So let's look at this. The hydrogen fuel cell. In hydrogen fuel cell, hydrogen and oxygen combine without burning. It is a redox reaction. The energy is given out as an electric current. Okay. So here what happens is that hydrogen gas combines with oxygen to produce huge amounts of energy, and this process occurs without burning, which means in burning we provide a little energy to the fuel. For example, in case of petrol, we provide a little electric charge or a little heat energy to burn it. Okay, in case of hydrogen fuel cell, there's no burning involved. These two gases combine to produce water and release lots of energy in the form of electrical energy, which can be used to for batteries, or it can be used to fuel the electric cars. Okay, like all the other cells, it has a negative electrode and a positive electrode. Okay, so you can see all the details of this fuel cell here. This is the hydrogen fuel cell, and it contains all the ingredients, the electrodes, what is it made of, electrolytes and everything. So you need to write this information as well as this diagram in your notebooks. Okay, other than this, they have given the half equations on the negative side and half equation of positive side. So you need to also draw this table as well in your notebooks. Combining these two equations, half equations, you get this equation which is here at the bottom, which is the total equation, not called half equation. Okay, so moving next, advantages of using hydrogen fuel cell. Okay, what are the advantages of using hydrogen fuel cell other than using petrol or diesel? Okay, the main advantage of hydrogen fuel cell is it does not produce any pollutants, any harmful gases which can cause damage to the environment. Okay, it only produces water, which is harmless. Other than that, there are no other extra gases produced. Okay, the reaction in and this is a good fuel because it produces huge amount of energy in the form of electrical energy. Other than that, hydrogen can be produced easily from water, so you can produce hydrogen again and again to be used as fuel. Or there is only one disadvantage of using hydrogen is that it is really dangerous to be stored. Okay, so hydrogen is really flammable. It can catch fire and cause explosions. So it's the storage area need to be really what you can say safe, and should check that whether there is any kind of heat or any extra which can cause a spark or provide energy which can cause explosion. Okay, here on the right side they have shown a car which uses hydrogen fuel cell, and she is adding hydrogen gas instead of petrol and other fossil fuels. She is adding hydrogen gas as a fuel to fuel the car. Okay, write down all this information in your notebooks, and if you do not understand anything, just send me a voice note regarding your problem. I will answer there. Allah Hafiz.